Get the parliament going. From us to our member of parliament, we can hear them in there. That's the problem today. The government not telling us the truth, what they're doing with the fish handling in the Cook Island. There's no fish out there, I'm telling you. I can go for a whole day with one fish. That's my concern. What's going to happen to my kids and my grandkids? I want to make noise today while I'm alive for my grandkids and my kids. And the same to you guys. So I'm asking the government, Minister of Marine, Pintonia, every time we have a meeting, he always going around the bush. It's like an Australian, like a snake. He is a snake. Where is he today? Where's the government today to come and talk to us? Because they're lying to us from the starting. That's why I say I don't have problem with the European Union. The problem is it's the leaders of our nation today. Thank you.